You know, when people take flights on our airline, they don't care if the flight is safe. And they don't even care if the pilot has a pilot's license. And they may not even care if the pilot is legally blind and has hooks for hands. They just want to have a good time with their pilot on the flight.
This is going to be good.
I'll give you an example
here. Of course you are.
Hey folks, this is your captain speaking. Just wanted to let you know that next week is your last week to register for $55 for Breathe, so be sure to register soon to save some money. Also, we do not know if we have gas right before we take off, so if you are worried, I would suggest calling your family in case we hit a mountain.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your co-captain speaking. I just wanted to let you know that all the checks for safety have been cleared and we are good to go. Thank you.
All right.
And if the plane should crash, I would not worry because you will probably die instantly. You will feel the initial impact surge through your body, but then you will die. Also, folks,
Stop.
I just have to ask one question. Have you ever wondered what burning jet fuel feels like all over your body?
Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is your co-captain speaking. Just a reminder,
so funny.
Everything is safe. We have enough gas. We are going to get you to your destination at Heartland Retreat Center, safe and sound. Thanks for choosing Breathe Airways.
Folks, I'm going to be straight with you. I don't know where this flight is going. JK, buckle up.
That's funny.